Okay, so I came here to see what media and communication students actually do, and this is not what I expected. Wait, this is an actual newspaper.
Yeah, this is a real newspaper, AM Plus. We reported it, wrote it, edited it, chose the typography, what comes above the fold, and everything in it.
But you're in college.
I know.
So, what are you working on right now?
Oh, this? This is a full brand identity. Logo, color palette, brand voice, tone guidelines. Yes, this might be a fictional setup, but here, we treat the brief like the real client.
So, is this your class assignment?
No, this is the subject.
I heard you guys ran an actual event, like a real one.
Yeah, it was full-scale event management, which included finding venues, sorting logistics, making sponsorship decks.
We planned the whole event from scratch with the help of our team and our faculty coordinator.
So, is there anything that didn't go according to plan? If you had to explain this course to someone who thinks it's just about talking or watching TV, how would you do it?
Well, I would tell them about how in just one semester, I've written an article for a newspaper. I've built an entire brand profile from scratch. I've managed a college live event.
Okay, that's actually insane.
And guess what? I still have a year left.
Media and communication at Manipal, where ideas turn into work that actually go out into the world.